Standard 5, English, Chapter number 7, Major Dhyan Chand. This chapter is adapted from Major Dhyan Chand by Sanjay Dudhane, sports writer. Major Dhyan Chand was born in 1905. His birthplace is Allahabad from Uttar Pradesh. Favorite sport, hockey. His position was centre forward. What was his nickname? His nickname was the Wizard or the Magician. He died on 3rd December 1979. Major Dhyan Chand was a gold medalist. In 1928, he won a gold medal in Amsterdam Olympic. In 1932, he won the gold medal in Los Angeles Olympic. And in 1936, Berlin Olympic. In 1948, last international match, and in 1956, he was awarded the Padma Bhushan Award. So Major Dhyan Chand was a hockey magician. Saturday, 15th August 1936. It was the day of the hockey finals during the Olympic events held in Berlin, Germany. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the finals against the Indian team. They were the host of the Olympics and they were sure of their victory. Perhaps that was the reason why their ruler, Hitler, had himself come to watch the match. All the day before, it had rained heavily. The entire field had become waterlogged. Waterlogged means full of water or flooded. But 15th August, being the last day of the games, it was not possible to postpone the match any further. Postpone means arrange event or a game to take place at a later time. The Indian team was a little under pressure as they had lost the Germany in the practice match and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. About 40,000 people had gathered in the hockey stadium to cheer Germany against India. The Maharaja of Baroda state, the Prince of Bhopal, and a few other Indians had also come to support the Indian team. The match started exactly at 11 am. The German team had adopted a novel. Adopted means started to use a particular method. Novel means new. They had adopted a new strategy of using the Indian technique of short distance passes against the Indian team itself. They had resorted to a very aggressive play. Aggressive means acting with force and determination in order to succeed. The Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. Resistance means strong opposition to something. No team could make a goal during the first half hour. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post from a difficult angle. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. A firm footing means strong and in control. The entire team played as one and made 3 more goals against Germany. 2 of them were made by the captain of the Indian team, Dhyan Chand. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making 1 goal. Now, only a few last minutes were left. Dhyan Chand had resolved to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. His spiked shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. Spikes are racing shoes used by athletes when racing on the track. He removed the shoes and the socks and began to run barefoot. Using this amazing skill of dribbling and his near magical game, he began to send one pass after another to the players in the D, that is, in the defenders or opponent's area, from where they could make goals. They too did not let the passes go waste. The Indian team scored three more goals. Dhyanchan could have easily made the goals himself from his own position, but he never played a selfish game. Skillfully, he took the ball away from the German defenders and made it possible for the players in the D to score goals. The German strategy had proved fruitless. Fruitless means producing no useful result. A defeat started them in the face. Some of the frustrated German players then resorted to a rough game. Frustrated means feeling annoyed or impatient because you cannot achieve what you want, and resorted to the act of using something generally bad or unpleasant because nothing else is possible. The German goalkeeper pounced on Dhyanchan and hurt him, but Dhyanchan was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. Spellbound means with his attention completely held on what he is doing. At last, he scored the last goal of the match, just as the game drew to a close. The Indian team had won third time in a row. It was a hat trick. Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, he was impressed by Dhyanchand's game. It is said that the German dictator had offered Dhyanchan a higher salary and rank in the German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany, but Dhyanchan turned down the offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyanchan. You may be aware that hockey is our national sport. Major Dhyanchand's birthday, August 29, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyanchan. Who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyanchan further and win great glory for our country. So children, here are some meanings and question answers which are given. You have to write down in your English notebook. Thank you.